Wagwan. It's a Jamaican Ting TV fans. No, guys, guess what? We're there. You don't know. Hurricane, we call it now. Category 5 Hurricane Melissa is in and around Jamaica, you know, guys. And I don't know how we see already, you know, guys. We're going to bring it live to you guys. We're going to bring footage to you of what's going on here in Jamaica. Right now, I'm in St. Catherine. I'm based in St. Catherine, guys. And yeah, I'm here. I'll give you guys some footage of what's going on around the St. Catherine area, around the Spanish Town area. Right now, over the flat bridge. It's basically quiet right now. You know, moderate rainfall now, guys, as you can see. Not too out of the way. Bridge still open and everything. You understand? Bridge still open. You know, say if it was strong, you don't know, whole lot of rainfall. You don't know the water would rise long time. You would lock off the bridge and everything, but vehicular traffic still come through the bridge. You're not seeing a whole heap of traffic right now because I don't know, I guess most people are home and all of that. But boy, Melissa is something to think about now, guys. Melissa is truly something to think about. But right now, we're luckily not getting much impact right now in the St. Catherine area right now. But the flat bridge to be exact. So we're going. Yeah, man, normally if rain man certain way, we can't walk on the bridge right now. Water basically cover the bridge. There's just regular rainfall go on the other day, you know, people. Regular rainfall go on the other day and the place flooded. Amount of water come over right now. Yeah, the bag of water no come over. I understand, so I have to give thanks. No people. I take the chance I'm gonna come out here. But before me even take the chance, man, make sure say I know so I go safe. No, if you're in here as well, you know you're not going to safe in the people. It don't make no sense to come out. You understand? It don't make no sense to come out. But so far, the gorge in the flatbridge area look alright to me. You understand? In the flatbridge area look alright with people. No rainfall, certain way of impact. And overflowing at the river, sir. I understand, so yeah, this is how I go on a flatbridge side. My people. Now, as I say, we go travel to some of the area them I know say more while flooding go on in the St. Catherine area, in a Spanish Town area. 1 and 2 areas where I know about say flooding will go on. Understand? 1 and 2 areas where I know the flooding will go on, man. Now I go touch them little area there. I'm gonna still go on, so. This is Flatbridge. This is the gorge. Now go on too tough, my people. Yeah, so you don't know. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell. And give us a like on the video, my people. We're out here, you see me, doing it for you guys because we love it, and we'll make sure so we give you guys footage of what's going on in a tropical storm. Not even tropical storm, you hear me talk about tropical storm. Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, it's category 5 and today is Monday, Today is Monday, guys, October the 27th. You understand? Today is Monday, October the 27th. So it's now tropical storm Melissa. You understand? So I will show you guys. Not much traffic coming through. Not much traffic coming through. So I'm sure it will give you guys an idea now. Look, you see me? River very low. The river very low. So far that there, very low. Normally, when water high, the river, you let me water come right over the river, but right over the river. So now river low. Don't be surprised though, even if you're not seeing the rain fall down here, this will run over just the same. Because if rain fall up in the countries, up in the hills, this will run over same with my people. But it's open to vehicular traffic. Open to vehicular traffic same way. And you now overflow on the river, on the bridge. So that is a good look. What time it is now? It's now about 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, in the PM. And it's pretty calm here in Flatbridge. So we're going to check out some other areas in and around the area. We know more while get flooded. Now there is a particular area on Walks Road. That's a stoplight right there at the train line on Walks Road and Brunswick, where normally flooding take place, like regular rainfall or strong rainfall, and flooding take place. So I'm gonna check out that area though shortly and make sure say, well, that's basically to give you guys a view of what's going on. I know we might have flooding in the area there. Some parts of Featherbed Lane, some parts close to Thai Spin and them places, Job's Lane might have flooding as well. Some little areas in and around the town, you know, might have flooding. Yeah, I'm gonna drive to them area there. And you don't know, make sure and I'll show you guys what's going on. No, I'm not seeing a sign of life jacket or life vest close to the bridge. You know, normally the life vest and the life jacket them would have there in that area there. You understand? To make sure say if there is rescue to take place, I'm gonna walk again and look. Show you guys because I know I'm gonna see it. You understand? I know I'm gonna see nothing like that. So normally the life jacket them would have hang up in that area right there. So I'm not seeing none of that right now. I'm not seeing a life jacket in that area there. And there was a request for a life jacket. I don't know from authorities. I'm not seeing none of that. So I guess if anything happen, we don't know what I got transpire, but hopes nothing happen in the time. Alright guys, so we are going to check out a few other areas in St. Catherine, in Spanish Town, basically. Yeah man, I'm gonna see one. Now, earlier I passed garbage truck, because you don't know garbage can cause flooding. I passed garbage truck take up garbage in one section, so at least that is a good effort. I understand that's a good effort. Because you don't really want them garbage to get in some areas, block up drain and them type of thing. Yeah man, we have a show now going in them little area there. River basically calm right now, my people. River basically calm now. Just a little jewelry, as you guys can see. Just a little jewelry, man. Alright guys, so stick and stay. More updates coming up. Alright guys, so see what time it is. So I'm showing you guys that right now the gate is still open. Yeah, the gate is still open. This is from the Spanish Town end. Yeah man, this is from the Spanish Town end. The gate still open. So the gate not closed off yet, so you don't know a regular rainfall that take place. Yeah man, the river over now overflow its banks. So people still go through. So it's calm. Alright guys, so look at that and realize water is still clear. Well, almost clear. Normally when rain fall up in the hills, this water here look red. You understand? Water look red. Yeah man, so right now you have people down there right now who are across the river. And as I said before, well a lot of you guys supposed to know say people use this water bridge for cross. This area for cross to go over next door. So that's one man down here. Yeah, so they walk the area they go across. I understand. So water pretty alright, calm. I understand, so nothing too tough. No hard rain really falling. Nothing catching on people. Thing just calm. Isn't it? And normal. Come on, so the place calm and normal, you know, my people. The place calm and normal. River look regular. Yeah man, river look regular, normal and things. So gate open up on everything. We're gonna check a few other areas. I don't know how I go on guys. So see what's going on now guys? We're in the Angels area. People them still out and about and up their mutual business. Man still doing hustling, fruits man that you know, still doing hustling and things. People still out and about doing them own business as usual. So see what I want my people, this is one of the good things we are pre right now. So right now, most of the man them pick up garbage my people. Man them pick up garbage in the rain. That is a good thing. When they pick up garbage in the rain, you don't know the garbage can cause blockage and them type of thing there. So that is a good thing my peeps. Yeah man, and we're in the Walks Road area now guys. Walks Road right now. Man, they pick up garbage in the Walks Road area. That is good. They don't know the garbage can create blockage and them thing there if them get away. You don't know. In the rain, in some drain and all of them things, so that is a good move. That's a very good move. Alright my people, so this is one of the area on Walks Road, Brunswick to Walks Road area way. When the rain fall, them places get flooded out. I understand when the rain fall. The last time the old man get trapping in the water. Right now look at here there. Oh man get trapped in the water in them people. Them have to actually rescue, you know? Perform a little rescue mission. Right here. Right. So this is another section of St. Catherine area. This is on Featherbed Lane. Alright, so Normally, if rain not fall in certain way, if rain not fall certain way, them place here good. Certain rainfall, them places are normally flooded, guys. You see me? Them places are normally flooded. There would be a whole lot of water on the left hand side right here. And right now, yeah, we are driving normal, no flooding. So you know, say things normal. You understand? Normally when you drive on this stretch of road here, if the rain falls, certainly significant amount of rainfall, the whole of them road here flood out. Over the side, loaded with water on the left hand side. Now, if you don't see that going, you know, so things normal, so we have to give thanks for that so far. So further bit lane good. So just to give you guys a little drive through and show you guys what's going on the road in St. Catherine, Spanish Town. You understand? This is Old Harbour Road, guys. This is Old Harbour Road. Certain sections of Old Harbour Road now follow that when you have significant rainfall. So we're checking on Old Harbour Road right now. And everything seems normal. Alright, so we are talking about, guys, normal right now. That's normal. Alright, guys, so this is one of the area normally get flood out when you have significant amount of rainfall. As you guys can see on the side there, yeah, the drain kind of a little bit, well, it's not full right now. Yeah, it's not full right now, but yeah, normally out here so that flood out when we have significant rainfall. So guys, that's what I say, light to moderate rain going right now. In a Spanish town. No wind like that, you don't know, light wind. Yeah man, and then them do a little amount of drain cleaning. So as you guys can see, little drain cleaning going. So you know, so much water in the drain right. Just look at that. A lot of drain cleaning in and around them area here, as you guys can see. Some no flooding in them area here, but as I said, light to moderate rainfall, so things normalize. Alright guys, so this is another section. This is on John's Road. This is another section again, guys. Yeah man, from this here, so looking normal like this, no flooding, no. Yes, we have regular rainfall. Normally if rainfall certain way, man, them place here you can't drive through them place here, flood out. You understand, at the entrance of John's Road, half walks road. And it's normal so far. No whole heap of water in the drain or nothing like that either. You understand? So we are circular place showing how we're going in and around the area in Spanish Town. John's Road, nice and calm as well. Alright guys, so this is another section. This is the Baca Toys pen, the Baca Toys Meadows. Regular when rainfall significantly. You see me, them places that flood out people. Now they don't know, it's just moderate rainfall. A little bit of water on the road and things like that. So just a little water. Nothing too significant. And most of this water here is just accumulated because of the bad road. You understand? So look at it. No significant amount of rainfall. That is just because of the bad road. Most of them water where it's right now. But normally if the rain fall really hard, there's a load of water, my people. because the water is accumulate on the road right now. Not so much the flooding because, as we said, the drain them kind of empty right now. So. People, and it's just after 1 now. It's like 1:31 now in the PM, Monday 27th of October, and it's light to moderate rainfall, no flooding, everything is just normal here in Spanish Town. But right now we just have to see a little bit of breeze. Right now we see a little bit of breeze that pick up, you know, every now and again. Man, and so I go on my peeps, I show you what I want to know. See it? Gully them just normal, you know, rush of water. Gully just normal. You understand? Alright, so this is the only, you don't know, significant amount of water I say together in any area. So this is on Walks Road. So that's Spanish Town roundabout out there. Spanish Town roundabout, and this is where they're doing the construction of the police station. But normally all over this section of the here would have full of water. You understand? And that's the little body here. You see me, just a section here have some water. But that's normal, guys. That's normal. You understand? So before the construction take place, all out here should have water. But this one a little bit of water, I'm saying, accumulate, you know what I'm saying? I think it's normal. Now this is the police station where they construct on Walks Road, Spanish Town. So this is the front section of Toys Meadows, and normally when heavy rain fall on them here, your man walk place flood out as well, my people. You see me? Them places are underwater, but regular, just like a regular day, man. Toys Meadows, aka Toys Pen. Regular day, my people. So just like here, guys, show you guys what's going on in certain areas where I know would are normally underwater when they have significant rainfall. This area as well, people. This area as well would normally have a lot of rain, a lot of water. You understand? Into Spanish Town would have a lot of water. And basically normally into Spanish Town as well. So right now we're in the center of Spanish Town. Yeah, we're in the center of Spanish Town. Everything normal right now. In the center of Spanish Town, people. Look at it. Everything seems very normal here in Spanish Town, as you guys can see. Yeah, man. So that is March Pen roadside. Everything normal. Normal that side, as you guys can see. Right in the center of Spanish Town. Everything is like, you know, look a button up going on LOJ Plaza and thing. Yeah, but no flooding, just little water on the road and that's it. In a Spanish Town. Burke Road, Spanish Town. taxi, bus, people that travel. People still out here other them selling and buying. You understand? Normally, them places underwater as well, people. When rain falls certain way. Now as you can see, a little water is here. A little water. Not much. Just a little water, my people. Normally out here is full of water, man. Full of water if the rain falls certain way. In a Spanish town. Yes, my people, so you see what I go on now right now, I'm back here, I'm at home. I'm back at home. And there on the balcony, my people. So I go on. Balcony not much. Still now go on. Another Spanish town here. Like some moderate rainfall as I still look on the tree them over there, so barely I move. You understand? So I plant them there. Pine, me have ginger, me have thyme, me have, you know, if you look at things on that balcony. Light moderate rainfall, guys. So over there, in the rain, we have to eat some mango. In the rain right around them people. What time it is. So we have some mango here, my people. Mango, we are looking at the rain now. What time it is? Yeah, man. You see, Emma enjoy some mango. You say enjoy your mango? That is nice, enjoy. Picky, you know, people. So. Yeah, man. Right, some other rain people. Alright, guys, so remember, you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. Drop a like, drop a comment. Go out there. Hurricane Melissa, I'm not sure where it's on yet, but Shadow. Laugh. That's the dog, Shadow. So there, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's now about after 3 Monday afternoon, so we are still a little bit more breeze. Yeah, realize all the freedom are move right now, so we have a little bit more breeze in the St. Catherine area. Rain looks like it's now it'll pick up a bit. Now I'll be getting some footage from family members in and around different areas of Jamaica, and I'll be showing you guys shortly. Now, as you guys can see, wind and the rain kind of pick up, you know, a bit now in St. Catherine, now in Spanish Town. Now, I'm going to show you guys some footage of other areas in Jamaica. So, stay tuned. Daddy, yeah, they've flood already. Currently, this is what the skies look like. The birds are making their way away. We're finally getting drizzle after 24 hours of not even a drop of rain. Well, at this part of St. James, it has not rained in about 24 hours. And this is what it looks like. The trees are still still. And the sky looks like this. So we're bracing for it. Yeah, good afternoon, yeah. This is Green Park District in the parish of Moko Clarendon. Yeah. As you can see, we're getting a little rain now and then, little breeze, it's kind of calm. Yeah, thank God for the weather so far. Hope it will just continue at this speed. And I hope each and everyone is safe with the storm Melissa. I hope everything will turn out good. All the best. Big up all my family then. You know, Ashley, Moko, Donna Beer, Dr. Sandy Beer,
Montego Bay, Ochi, all of them, church sister, them are friend, church brother, church family, Church of Christ. Big up Ashley Church of Christ family them. Yeah. All the best. I hope you all are safe in the hands of God. Yeah. Blessings to each and everyone. Yeah. All the best. Have a prosperous evening and stay safe.
So guys, afternoon is a section of Clarendon called Bryansville. This is how it looks for now. It's raining, but it's calm at the moment. Calm at the moment, no breeze yet so far. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. Calm at the moment. This is a place called Bryansville. Bryansville. Across there, the white section is that's over in Crooked River, another community. So
it's gone from rough. To the moonlight, car wash up real quick. Can't even go down and stuff go down. And I go over on the car wash, you know. Yeah man, see car wash over there, so stand up same way, but the whole light are broke with, the whole underneath it. Wait, this is in a harbour view. Right on the east side, that's the whole east side. Right back. All of Yasa we all look on. Let me see. Right from Yasa go around this are 7 mile, 8 mile, 9 mile. Around this you all look on a St. Thomas go back around.
East Portland, Long Beer. Come on, East Portland. Come on, we inside. Boy, wish I didn't meet up them now, you know. The breeze chop there now, Melissa pass through. With some more breeze from early and make her way, you know. Come on, respect for the follow. Yeah man, we are trying to be safe, you know. Yeah.
You can't go. There's no person to this. Wonderful. Wonderful, Marie. Gosa, nosa, gosa.
They have tied that other boat down. We are in Westmoreland, Savlamore right now. Broadcasting live, showing you what's actually going on right now, people. This is actually what's going on right now here. So we are here right now, guys. Yes, guys, it's really high, guys. Really high. And the wind, you can feel the breeze coming off the sea, guys. It's terrible. It's terrible, guys. All right.
Mortgage. This is in St. James. What is going on in your area? Let me know. Is it raining heavily? Are you having wind? No, this is not this is not St. Catherine. This is in Estuary, St. James. Like when you're going Tucker Irwin side, before you pass Johnsall. I think it's 15 minutes away from Montego Bay. Yeah. We'll look over this, so. But the rain a come down heavier, you know. The rain a come down heavier. Look there. Watch there. Yeah, man, the rain a come down heavy. Oh. Alright, so we're ready for the next one. What's it?
Look how we have a going now. Guy, watch it. Cause we having a rainy party. Cause we having a romantic party. Cause we having it down. When they are going down, we need a better blow and ride. And we never do it. And we're having a weather party. Go. Keep it up to me now. Keep it up. Balenciaga, that touches me. I choose and them coming out the room. I tell them what to do. We can do
it. Right back selector. 1-3. Don't know say we open a hurricane Melissa.
This is Mandeville. Catfire, this no burial. Yeah, that's true, but them not go nowhere. Plus they're pretty heavy. Thank you, Guyana. Fully protected, nice community. Thank you. Palm tree, never fall, always make it. Yeah. I supplement what is that? What is it? Pimento tree, and it has cactus in it. That make dragon fruit, if you never know. That plant, yeah, it make dragon fruit. Just be safe. I will. Where is this? This is Mandeville. Nice plants, thank you.
Another train there, people them there. We can't go in here. They're full of people already. There are 2 train stations now. Some of the people already in there. People don't put them part already. I can't trouble nothing. Look. One of them party a serious place now. Oh, and now look, I'm safe now, man. Listen, dog, them a shelter. Come on, chat. Yeah? March charge, you good?
And it only gonna get worse. Yeah, man, when you hear them say worse, worse. But we know it'll get worse in Nigeria for real. You hear that? Good gosh, man. Yeah, man. Yes, Melissa worries in our dance, man.
Cover the car with what? Me not have nothing to cover it right now. Not a thing. The cover blew off and gone. I swear. Nothing to cover it right now. Yeah man, but Portmore I feel it right now, people. Seriously. I hear them say Ochi, get it the other day. Oh, this is actually in Portmore, you know, St. Catherine, yeah. So I feel we time now to get it. Yeah man, Portmore I get it now, man. I mean I check in on couple of my brethren live on the Portland side, and you know, Portland basically have little Jew in, you know, one thing, and you know, no winds, so them good. But yeah, it actually reached crossing a Portmore now. Earlier I did visit round on the seaside, the back road side and them thing there, and the sea are going rough. So the fact that the rain and the breeze is actually here now